Alright, today I got my rotors and pads with steel braided lines. My brakes are fucked up, as you can see. Look at that. All those what are those called? Hot spots? Clean Stoptech stickers. Won't eat this shit. Just drilled. These are the pads. I've never installed this, so let's see how we fuck shit up. Damn, these are heavy. They're clean, huh? Oh boy. Gotta stay clean, stay fresh. All day, air day. Then raise up the car. That's the other side. Oh fuck. Damn, that meat. Beef, it's what's for dinner.
That shit got chicken pox.
What the fuck? This shit's fucked up. Too much track days, bruh. Even though I don't track. Damn, tucked fuse box. Done by me. Nah, it's too big, bro. I need a red. She ready? Oh my god, this one's broken. This one works. 13. Where the hell is my 14?
50 minutes later.
First, you gotta take off the caliper. To take off the caliper, there is two 12mm bolts you have to take off. Is it this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, that way.
Trash.
That's my middle name.
No, your real name's garbage.
Oh yeah. Alright. That shit was leaking. Now that the caliper's off,
Track prep.
on to the next. Look at these pads. Oh my lord. This one's still bad, but it's alright. Now to take off this bracket. Fuck. Oh my god. Nope. Should I get a mallet or a drill?
Fuck.
Yeah, I need a 17. No, what the not even close, bitch. Bring me a 17. Easy one. What the fuck? No. You see all the damn freaking memory. Boom. You don't want to strip, so get a hammer. Ah, dog is spinning. Put on first gear. Round two. Look how easy that was, boy.
When you can't afford real tools.
There you go. Now to take this shit off. Bitch.
Fuck this shit. I'm going home.
I'm out. got just. Oh, stop. This is not licensed, but we are professionals. Bring another one.
Gonna find one.
Oh. The hell is that noise?
That's good. It's coming off.
Oh boy. And there you have it. Oh, fuck, you kidding me? Hold up. By the power of Christ, I compel you. Our bitch? Nigger bitch. Shape form, I will associate with teaching her. First, we're gonna put the steel ready lines. They're nice. All the brake fluid is gonna come off, right? The fuck? What? Them socks, bro, so I can keep it warm in the winter.
Your package has been delivered.
That's my clone we swapped out.
10, open in 10.
Yes, massa.
You're gonna have to turn the light too, dude.
Here. Is that the right way? Oh god. You got it?
Yeah. Give me like a, I think it's a 17.
It's the uniform that makes you great. What happened? Make sure to put this clip back on.
I took it off in the beginning, y'all didn't see, but
Track ready, boy. It's tight.
whenever you're checking the car, it needs to be coming out.
You stupid bitch. And now onto the caliper. Bruh. Oh fuck. Now you're taking the whole line off. In with the new, out with the old. She looks clean, boy. Your boy track ready. I don't know where they're at. Now what are you doing, Chris?
Yama.
Oh! Pretty easy install. See you next time.